It's important to keep in mind when designing and building a new deck for your home, are you gonna be using that space at night? Are any guests, family members, neighbors gonna be using your new deck at night? And if they are, remember that they may not be as familiar with your deck stairs as you are. They may not know exactly where they are or how tall each step is or when they start and stop. So we wanna make sure that those stairs are properly illuminated at night. Now the question is that we get asked from time to time, are any lights required on deck stairs? And we're gonna be jumping right into that in this video. So the short answer is no. Typically, there is no requirement to have specific lights on deck stairs. Code does require that stairs on a deck are properly illuminated, and to date, we've never come across a building department or inspector that says that the light at the back of your home, the light near your back door, is not enough proper illumination for the stairs. And with all of the homeowners associations and all of the condo associations that we've worked with, we've only come across one homeowners association in South Lyon, Michigan, that does require any specific deck stair lights. But while there may not be a written requirement to install any stair-specific deck lights, it is something to keep in mind. Stair lights exponentially increase the safety factor of using those sets of stairs at night, especially again for guests that may not be as familiar with those stairs. So when you're designing and planning for your own deck, do consider specific lights just for your stairs. Most commonly, those stair lights are gonna be stair riser lights, which are about a 1-inch diameter light that's installed in the riser, or the part where your toe kicks, in each step. If you do install stair riser lights, we typically recommend 1 light per step. You could also do 2 lights per step if your stairs are 5 foot or wider. But the number of lights per step are not dictated by code, so that is a personal preference, and we'd be happy to walk you through those light options for your stairs. If you do consider stair riser lights for your deck stairs, one thing we typically don't recommend is installing lights on every other step. We have had clients that have asked us about installing 2 lights every other step as a way to still get the effect of 2 lights, but to save some money. And if you went that route, we would recommend investing the exact same amount of money on 1 light per step. Stair riser lights typically only illuminate the step immediately in front of that light, not 2 steps down. Separately, or in addition to the stair riser lights, you also have other lighting options, including railing post cap lights, which shines down light from the railing post cap. And you also have railing post side lights installed on the sides of railing posts. You can easily install those railing post side lights on your stair railing posts that shine down towards the stairs and towards the landing on both the top of the stairs and the bottom of the stairs. So there you have it. There are a few ideas and options as far as illuminating your stairs and making sure that they're safe for you and your guests using them at night. But typically there are not requirements to install stair-specific lights for your deck. But do please reach out to your local municipality, as that could vary from geographic area to geographic area. If you're in the Southeast Michigan area, please reach out to Custom Deck Creations. My name is Phil Black, the owner. We'd be happy to help you design and plan and build your new composite deck.